drop top to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And a good looking one at that. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura Convertible. Has had one repaint. Underneath the hood, inline 6-cylinder. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. Nicely equipped power steering and a power top. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Bright work as far as the grille, headlight bezels, and of course, hood ornament. And as you can also see, that paint has a nice shine to it. Go ahead and check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this car from every angle, top up, top down, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels with the Falcon wheel covers. By the way, 4 new tires were just installed. And I'm going to get into some other service work that's been done within approximately the last 2,500 miles too. But let's take a look down this passenger side first. Sorry about the noise in the background of the lift going up. They're going to do some underside pictures and get the next car ready to go. All right, so you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice a little touch-up right up here. See, there's been a little prior touch-up, so there's a few spots, some minor touch-up along the way. But overall, be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Vinyl interior. Appears that could be original. Very stock looking dash. I have had the AM radio working. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll put that top up, check that out, see how it functions, look at the condition of it. But first, let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. And I want to get into some of these serviced items within the last 2,500 miles approximately. So first of all, front and rear brakes, and that would explain why when the technician that looked at this car said the brakes are 100%, because they have approximately 2,500 miles since they were replaced. New wheel cylinders, master cylinder and hoses, radiator and hoses, thermostat, starter, generator, water pump, clutch, and pressure plate. Again, all gone through approximately 2,500 miles ago. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Ford Falcons, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Paint looking good over here on the driver's side. Again, nice shine to it. I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I showed you on the other side, there might be a touch up here or there, but overall, good looking car. The convertible top cover fits nicely. If you stick around to the very end of this video after we check out the convertible top, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We're going to start it up here just shortly too. I want to show you this interior a little closer. Again, it appears that it could easily be original interior. Not notice any major rips, tears, or holes. Shows a little bit of wear, but again, nothing that's going to stop you from driving in and enjoying this car. All right, I'll turn that radio on too so you can see, or hear that work, I should say. All right, we're in neutral. Odometer reads about 31,004. That service work was done in the 29,000 range, just so you know. Top of the dash looks good. See if this radio powers up for me. Yeah, there we go.
Wayne Hogg Futures December 82 up 35.
You can listen to the market report about at noon here in the Midwest. Nice responsive clutch, or gas, I should say. Throttle response, nice on this car. Sounds good. I think what you'd expect. All right, let me pause this a second. We're going to pop this hood. Want to check out that engine bay, and then we'll get to the convertible top. All right, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. So which one we have here? 170 cubic inch. Inline 6. Again, power steering. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. The battery is from 2024. So that's recent. The top was installed in 2023. So those two things have also been gone through. Yeah, very nice throttle response on that guy. Running pretty smooth. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get the tripod set up so we can see how this power top functions. Check out the condition of that. And power top up, so you can see functions as it should. The one thing I will remind you, it was installed in 2023, so this top is like practically new. It needs to be left up. It's a tight fit. Latching it up front, it's one of those, let it sit out in the sun, let it get warmed up, leave it up, and get that top stretched out a little bit, but great shape. And as you can see, power top works as it should. There's no rips, tears, holes, rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits. Of course, the rear window is going to be nice and clear, like brand new, since the top is only a couple years old. Around to the passenger side, side glass also rolled up. And yeah, the more it sits out in the sun and it's left up a little bit, get a little more pliable, the better that's going to fit and latch a little easier. So there's a convertible top. I will show you the function of it folding back down into the storage area. Then Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 1964 Ford Falcon Futura. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Ford Falcon Futura. This car is a convertible, and we have a top up today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This car is kind of a sweetheart. It just fired up right away, idled nicely right away, shifts easily. It's a 3 on the tree manual transmission. The clutch feels good, the wipers work, the radio, which looks like the original AM radio, works. The blower motor blows air. Comfortable bucket seats. The interior honestly looks original to me as well. The horn is working. The speedometer is showing 40 miles an hour. That's what we're doing right now. The fuel gauge is 3/4 of a tank. Temperature right in the middle. It is warmed up. typical wind noise around that roof convertible top seal. Otherwise, just a great runner. Nice, smooth ride on the road. Steering is easy. Be sure to check out all the pictures of this 64 Falcon at uniqueclassiccars.com.